Okay, so we have here an electronic bidet toilet seat. Gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna show you all about it and how to install it. Okay, so I'm gonna see what's in here. So here's the remote holder along with the remote, and then some of the hardware for attaching the seat to the toilet, it looks like. So also in that piece was the splitter for the water supply line and some adapters as well. Okay, so the only things left in the box were the manual and the actual bidet itself. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the plastic and take a closer look. Okay, so this is the mounting bracket right here. These are adjustable, so you can position the seat wherever you need for your toilet. These are going to be the pieces that actually go down into the slots on the toilet, and then these bolts will screw into those and position everything, clamp everything in position. Here is the T adapter, so you can split the water line coming into the toilet itself so that it can also go to the bidet. And then we've got the batteries installed in the remote, and the remote has a holder. And then here is some adapters if your water line is a different size. So those are all the accessories, and I think we're about ready to go start installing this. Okay, so we already had a T-fitting for our toilet, and we're just going to go ahead and reuse this one, and I'm just going to put one of the adapters on, and that's all we're going to have to do, and then this fitting will already work. Okay, so make sure your washer is in place and attach the T-fitting to the bottom of your tank. And you're going to want to make sure it's at an easy to get to position as you tighten it up. Okay, and just reattach the water supply line to the bottom of this T-fitting, and then the bidet will attach to this extra fitting here. Okay, so these two black pieces, you need to do one in one hole and one in the other. You see I got this one in. They're a little bit tricky to get in, but if you get it started and then reach around to the bottom, it does help. Just like that. Okay, so I got the mounting bracket lined up as best I can tell is where I'm going to want it. And I'm just going to go ahead, and you can see these metal pieces just kind of fit in some grooves. And then these two screws are going to drop down into those rubber pieces we attached earlier. And we're going to tighten everything down and see how I did on my alignment. Okay, so once you've got the mounting bracket secured, you're just going to line the toilet up, the bidet seat up with that mounting bracket and push it on. Okay, so again, make sure your washer is in place, and then go ahead and attach the supply line for the bidet to that extra fitting and make sure it's tight, and then we're pretty much ready to try this out. Okay, so we got the water line all hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in to the electrical outlet and see how it works. Okay, and now it's ready to use. Okay, so some of the functions of the remote. We've got the bum cleaning, the female cleaning, then it has a drying mode. It also has a mode specific for children. And then down here you've got the water pressure and the drying temperature. And then these lights are all going to light up according to what it's doing. You can adjust the nozzle position. And then these bottom ones here, this is the seat temperature and the water temperature. And then this bottom one right here is a cleaning mode. Okay, so this bidet has a function where it will only operate if you're sitting on the seat. So the main thing I'm going to show you is the cleaning mode, so just so you can see kind of how it works and what happens.
So I just activated the cleaning mode. You can kind of see how the nozzle moves and how it does a self-clean. Okay, so one extra feature that's really nice is the toilet lids have a soft close. So if you've got kids and they don't safely lower it, it's not going to hurt it. It's going to close itself nice and soft. Okay, so this bidet is really nice. I really like the feature of the heated water and the heated seat. That comes in really handy if you're living in any kind of cold environment. The seat dryer is also really nice, so you're going to use less toilet paper as well with that feature. It's really convenient and really nice. I really like it.